Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Please endeavor to like, subscribe, and also share the videos so you can also be getting more of these. So, first of all, I have to say congratulations to Donald Trump for him being the 47th elected president of the United States of America. So, congratulations to him once more. So, let's dive into the charts. So last time I dropped a video here, because of how the market closed, I was looking at a possibility. That was NFP, that was last week Friday. So I was looking at the possibility for it getting below the relatively equal lows and probably running into this other block, or price just shooting to the upside. We're looking for two things at that time, so which I later advised everyone that if you can stay off the charts at least until after the election, I believe that would have been a very good thing to do, which I also did. Okay, which I also did throughout this week. I was just watching the markets, didn't engage, just watching and seeing how it moved. Okay, kind of forward testing throughout. So you can see how we hit our target. Target we had the last time before I made the last video. Target we had the last time. You see how market points into that buy side liquidity up there. So going down to daily charts, this was where price was when I was making that video. I was expecting some kind of rejection from this breaker here as an inversion and then drop lower to the sell side. So, but you can see how the market just kept on pressing higher from this point, protecting this low, okay, which serves this guy just as a run on liquidity here. And also looking at this other block right here, you can see that we didn't close below 50% of it. That's below mean threshold of it, showing that there was still a possibility of us being bullish. So I would say that this drop here was just a kind of to engineer liquidity up here, creating this relative equal highs here. Okay, so you can trap people who want to go short and then reprice higher, which was actually what I was expecting to, because I had double confidence. Okay, I had double confidence. So having that in mind, you can see how we rejected from above 50%, just tapped into it here, couldn't even get to it here, and then moved higher after running this social liquidity right here, pushing higher. So today, those the buy side liquidity here, that was this last target here, this target here, because I wanted to make a video today, but I was just trying not to be too fast. Okay, I was just maybe waiting for it to happen there. I can say, okay, we've done it again, and that's it. So I was just trying to not to make a video and then make another one again. I was just trying to do everything once, and also just letting them do what they want to do in the election. Okay, then we'll continue by next week. So you can see I was just trying to, I took a long here, trying to hold up to the buy side, but later closed two positions. Closed the positions here. This buy here was a mistake, so I just closed it. So now, having in mind that we've run this relatively equal highs here, so what are the possible objectives that we are likely to achieve since we've run this buy side liquidity? So for me, I'm looking at these price levels here. I'm looking at 20,924.4 and also 21,264.7. So these are price levels I'm looking at least for this week, possible targets for this week. Okay, so I'm trying not to be too fast though. So that's why I'm just outlining these low hanging fruit objectives for the closure weekend. So also, for us to be able to get to those levels, I'm also looking at this breaker right here. Possibly price could just trace to it and then take a long term those targets that I hard. So having all this in place, so for me, I'm not trading yet. I'm waiting till next week, so I will start. So I just took this week off for handling other things. Okay, and also just a good period to take a break, preserving capital. That's what I call it, preserving capital. So I think that's all for the week. So please guys, endeavor to like, subscribe, and share this video if you actually enjoy such content. I wish you guys good luck and good trading. Peace guys.